Hi guys, it's Bill Wilkins at the Oak Creek Home Center here in Abilene, Texas. Gonna do a real quick video for you of one of our new homes, the Bandera. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, just a little over 1,700 square feet. And I'd really like to show it to you. You're gonna love the features in this home. So let's go inside. We'll take a look here in just a moment. This is the exterior of the Bandera. You get to choose your own color combinations and features on the home. The home has a 50-year warranted exterior siding, 20-year warranty shingled roof. I've opened up the storm door so we'll have easy access to walk in. You get to pick all of your own colors and combinations with the primary colors, trim colors, etc. So let's step on inside and take a look and see what it's like. When you first come in the door, you're greeted in the foyer. Got a nice entry, a spot where you can put a coat rack, hall tree, that kind of thing. And then the home opens up to a really, really nice front living room. The entertainment center is standard in this home. The overhead vents are standard, pre-wired for ceiling fan. You'll notice the LED recessed can lights also contribute to the energy efficiency in the home. It just has a really nice look. For folks that need a large dining area, this home certainly accommodates that. I like the little coffee bar that they have over here. The shiplap siding, or shiplap accents that go all the way across. And then they've done a set of what we call farmhouse windows on the back side of the kitchen. Here in the kitchen, you've got a lot of space, plenty of cabinets. We use GE appliances, and you've got the option on your appliance set of how you want to choose those. You get to choose your cabinets, countertops, backsplashes, flooring, all of those things. Got a good set of cabinets, even have cabinets here under the island. The workspace on the island is very generous, a lot of room there. There's an outlet in the end of the island, so you can use it for a workstation. Comes back over to the big gooseneck faucet that's a pull-out, and then you've got the view out the back. Lots of light in this home, and it opens up really, really nice. Coming back into the utility room that's just off the kitchen. It's a good location for it. Set up for a full-size washer dryer. You have the option of putting shelves or cabinets above the washer and dryer. And then this home also features a laundry deep sink. And around the corner, you've got a space for a freezer. Microwave is built in on this one. We do have stainless steel appliance packages available. Another really nice bonus is this multi-use closet. Can be used as a pantry, seasonal storage, but it's a big, big storage area. And that's just right next to the coffee bar. When you come down the hallway, you'll see a linen closet at the end of the hallway, flanked by 2 bedrooms. The guest bathroom is a really nice size. You can do single-piece fiberglass tub shower combinations. You can do the single-piece shower, the raised commodes if you wish. We've got china sinks, extra linen storage. It goes all the way up. And then you've got one of the kids' rooms here. Hard to give you the size, but it's a nice size room. And then across the hall is an even larger bedroom. Comes back in. The 2-inch mini blinds are included. Again, having the overhead vents lets you have use of all of the floor space. You've got a very nice closet. It goes actually quite a bit of space in here. You can double rack the closets if you wish. Thing I like about this home is that the kids' rooms are not right abutting against to the living room, so they've got some privacy. And we're going to go back into the master bedroom and take a look at that. This is that foyer that I was telling you about when you come in. It's a nice size entry. Master bedroom. You can kind of count the plugs in here. There's plugs everywhere around on this room. Again, it's wired and braced for ceiling fan, the overhead vents, a really big walk-in closet. When you come into the bathroom, you're greeted by a dual vanity with an oversized mirror that goes all the way across. Ceramic tile backsplash, a central drawer bank, and the big 72-inch soaker tub. And it's got the transom window to bring in the extra light. And then like this has got a huge vanity area that's on the opposite wall here in the master bath. And then you've got a little commode nook with plenty of space back here. And look at this. This is the party shower. Got the rainforest shower head. Actually has a little shower wand. Step back in here. You've got the shower wand here. And then that big rainforest shower head comes at you overhead, straight on, and down low. Really, really nice setup. This home is, as I said, about 1,700 square feet, a little bit over. It's one of our featured homes this month, and we'd love for you to stop by and take a look at it. Again, it's the Bandera, located here in Abilene, Texas, at the Oak Creek Home Center. We are able to provide homes. We're a regional builder, so we build for Texas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, New Mexico. Be happy to take any phone calls or questions that you might have about the homes and how we do things. Again, this is Bill Wilkins at the Oak Creek Home Center, featuring the model 3356, the Bandera from Oak Creek.